calculating, risking your stare. You want control, I want proof. We're dancing on thin air. Lips brush like electric sparks, hands tethered in invisible chains. Every beat reminds us both pleasure is the same as pain.
Every contract signed in shadow, every smile hides a knife. This rhythm is a negotiation between lust, fear, and life.
If we break together. If we fall, it's on the floor. Every touch a calculated risk, but we keep wanting more.
Silken still, hurt and cheers dance until the night can't say this. This is what Cleveland needs.